Alright, can I turn up? Push me. I will hold him. Sorry. Why you do that? I can't go on. Guys, comment down below if you want me to do it again. So no. No. Okay, I want to do it. So guys, okay. Guys, you dare me to do it again? Oh, coronavirus! do this. Okay, get out now. Get out? Oh, you can get out?